Okay, this is just going to be a short little video about fixing something that bugs you. This is like trimming out these little cards. We have to trim just one little side off of this. And when you hit it with the blade, all those pieces of scrap just want to fly off the blade. So I want to show you what I'm talking about. And then I'm going to trim these out and show you how we have a solution for that. Okay, I've got the next cut loaded up, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to make a shield out of this piece of chipboard and just put it here and hold that in place and let that just keep all that scrap from flying out. So there, that contains all the scrap. It didn't fly back here in the floor and all over the place. And a lot of times if I'm doing something that's not this wide, I'll just use this piece just to stand it up, put it right there to help contain all the scrap, because a lot of times this little stuff just flies everywhere. So anyhow, that's just a quick little thing, a way to put a shield up that fixed what bugged me.